Hello there, loyal followers, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's your favorite Bading Palo Pierce, where all you need in my vlogs are your eyes and your ears. Boo! Halloween special natin ngayon, so kaya sinamahan ko yung mga inaanak ko, my godchildren too. Trick-or-treating, American tradition na pupunta sa mga bahay-bahay and then we're getting candy. Samahan nyo kami! Yes! I'm here! Kasama ko si Tinkerbell! Say hi! Hi! Who are you? What are you wearing?
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell! What do you say? Knock knock! Trick or treat!
Trick or treat!
Yay! Here we're going to go trick or treating, right, Z? Ah! Stage bomb ba ang peg mo?
Yeah!
Parang ganda ko.
Gotta get the ankle.
Wow! Wow!
Are we gonna get coffee?
Wow! Ako na nga magdadrive tapos coffee ako din.
Yeah. Barista ka naman, di ba?
Oh, first time mo sa channel ko, say hi! Walang naging scream din siya.
Ginagawa mo!
Ini-edit niya agad yung picture na kinukuha niya.
You gotta post it for the Instagram.
Wow! Hi! You ready for trick-or-treating? Yay! Yay! Nabudol na naman po tayo at nag-request ng kape. Ako na yung nagda-drive. Ako pa yung magbibili ng kape. Ano ba? Ayun na po, nagagwapo-gwapuhan lang para makabili ng kape. Ano? Nabili mo na?
Kinuha ko.
Lahat na kinuha mo sa akin! Wait, what's going on?
I can't.
Wow! Where? Oh my god, I thought it was... Ah! Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, that's like a... Ah! That's like a cockroach. Wait, did it go... Is it outside?
That's not a cockroach.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's a cricket.
Okay, calm it. Ah!
Open it back. Is it?
Hindi ba tayo nakakalabas ba yung mga nangyayari na ano ba? Bakit ba iniipis yung kotse mo?
Ginagawa mo. It's a cricket. Shut up.
Loyal followers din yung napakabaklang Cybertruck. Oh, I didn't know you were gonna be here. Say hi.
Hi.
Andito din pala kayo.
No, we're not. Who are you?
I'm a vlogger. Say hi.
Say hi.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Caleb, you ready?
Say hi.
Are you ready for trick or treat?
Trick or treat.
Yay! Hi, Miss! Dito kami ngayon sa Eagle Rock dahil marami daw nagbibigay ng pera yata. Si Eagle Rock Boulevard. Makiki-trick or treat din tayo. Ang ganda ng lugar na napili nyo. Wow! They go here every year for trick-or-treating. And it's, oh my god! It's my first time here. There was like a white lady. Parang sinusundan ako. Nagulat ako ng slight. What'd you get? What'd you get? Let me see. Ooh! May nakita akong gwapo. Bibihis yata. So, kunan natin. Nasaan na ba siya? Ang laki ng ulo ko, hindi makita. Ano ba? Iniwan ako ng mga kasama ko. Huwag niyo akong iwan! Hoy! Thursday ngayon, pero nandito si Wednesday. Ang bongga ng bahay, may pa-maze. Pag ako, tinakot ng mga to. Medyo, buti na lang medyo maliwanag pa, so hindi pa tayo masyadong natatakot. Oh my god, wait, why am I last? Ah! Oh my god! He got me! Oh my gosh! I thought it was RJ.
Wow.
They're like, good, we scared someone now.